Hi there, parents and families of first grade. It's Miss Valentine here. Let's go over your weekly newsletter, some important dates, and then some notes all about vowels today. So here we have our weekly newsletter, starting off with our sight words. These are new sight words for September. So these are all 25 of the new sight words that the students need to learn to read during the month of September. So the test will be at the end of the month, and the students need to be able to read all the words. Let's look at some important dates. On September 7th, students need to return the library book that they borrowed from the school library. We all went to the library last week, and students received one book in a clear plastic bag, so they need to return that book to school with the bag on September 7th. September 8th, we will have a math test, and September 9th, we'll have a phonics test. September 12th, the reading log is due, so that means that this reading log here needs to be finished and turned in next Monday. September 16th, we'll have our very first spelling test. September 20th and 21st, we have map growth testing, so that's a standardized testing that the students do on the computer. I'll talk more about that in future weeks. On September 30th, the end of the month, is going to be that sight word test. Spelling words are going to start next week, so we're almost there. Spelling words is almost time to start them. Our Bible verse is here, and then here is where we're going to talk about our notes. This week it's all about vowels. Our vowels can make two different sounds. We have short vowel sounds and long vowel sounds. I've listed them here with the word that helps you remember it. So A says a, like apple. E says like elephant. I says I, like inchworm. O says like ostrich. U says like umbrella. Those are the short vowel sounds. The long vowel sounds say their own name. A says A, like acorn. E says E, like eagle. I says I, like ice cream. O says O, like open. U says U, like uniform. So vowels make two sounds, and to help students know which sound a vowel should say, we have some vowel rules. We have a one vowel rule and a two vowel rule. We've been learning these in class. The one vowel rule says when there's one vowel in a word, it usually says its short sound. We mark it with a smile. Let me show you what it means to mark the vowel. So we look for the word, we find the vowel. When there's one vowel in a word, it usually says its short sound. We mark it with a smile, just a little smile right on top of the vowel. We look in this word. We see one vowel. We mark it with a smile. I'll leave the rest of these for you to practice with your child. The two vowel rule says when there are two vowels in a word, the first vowel says its long sound, and the second vowel is silent. This is how we mark it. Two vowels in a word. The first one says its long sound. We put a line over it. The second one is silent. We cross it out. We look at this word. I see two vowels. The first vowel says its long sound. We put a line over it. The second vowel is silent. I'll leave the rest of these for you to practice with your student at home. Marking vowels helps students know how to sound out the vowels in words. If they see the smile over it, they know that A says a. If they see a line over it, they know that A says A. So the marks help them tell the difference between what vowel sounds they should use. So we're going to travel today in our video. We're going to travel over to the board. I'm going to show you a few more. So here I have some one vowel words. I look at the word. How many vowels? One vowel. What is the vowel? It's an A. How do I mark it? With a smile. That tells me that the A says a. Bat. Bat. I look at the next word. How many vowels in this word? One vowel. What's the vowel? E. We mark it with a smile. That tells me that the E says eh. Here we have one vowel. We mark it with a smile. This word also has one vowel. We mark it with a smile. Let's look at these. These are two vowel words. When there are two vowels in a word, the first one says it's long sound, and the second is silent. Two vowels in this word. First says it's long sound, second one is silent. Two vowels in this word. First one says it's long sound, second one is silent. This word has two vowels. The first vowel says it's long sound. The second one is silent. Same thing here. This is a list of words. Some have one vowel, some have two vowels. Let's see how to mark them. How many vowels in this word? One. We mark it with a smile because it says it's short sound. It says eh. This word, how many vowels? Two. One, two. First one says it's long sound. You. Second one is silent. How many vowels? Two. Two vowels. First one says it's long sound. Second one is silent. It says it's long sound. E. How many vowels? One. We mark it with a smile. It says it's short sound. Ah. So hopefully this gives you an idea of how vowel marking works and how it can help your child when they're reading one vowel words and two vowel words. Have a nice week. Let me know if you have any questions.